Marine pollution today comes in various forms: chemical, industrial and agricultural, and pollution sources are endless. In recent history, we have seen many oil spills, untreated sewage, eutrophication, invasive species, heavy metals, acidification, radioactive substances, marine litter and overfishing, among others. Although marine pollution has long been an issue, it has only recently exploded into environmental, economic and policy debate. Advisors, scientists and non-scientists alike continue to be very shocked and dismayed by the sheer variety of water pollutants and the many ways in which they can harm our environment and our bodies. Monitoring of chemical and plastic pollution in the oceans has been going on for decades. One approach is to measure the discharges directly. One approach is to directly measure discharges of pollutants such as plastic waste into the oceans from land-based sources and tabulate the number and frequency of discharge events such as oil spills. From the auspices of the Horizon 2020 Initiative for a Cleaner Mediterranean, the European Environment Agency and UNEP MAP defined marine pollution has been studied by the following impact groups: harm to living resources, a risk to human health, reduction of amenity and harm to other sea users. This paper is mainly concerned with the first two categories and their interrelationship. Apart from some seabirds affected by oil, marine animals' main stocks show no evidence of reduction due to pollution. Pollution effects are generally insignificant relative to other factors determining reproductive success, survival, growth and population size. Even in the North Sea, which has experienced greatly increased pollution loads over the past 3 decades, both total fish production and catches per unit effort, a measure of abundance, of cod, haddock and plaice increased over the 20 years 1950 to 69. Marine mining in the deep sea is another source of marine pollution. Marine mines drilling for silver, gold, copper, cobalt and zinc create sulfide deposits up to 3,500 meters deep in the sea. Although we have not yet gathered scientific evidence to explain the harsh environmental impacts of deep-sea mining fully, we have a general idea that deep-sea mining causes damage to the lowest levels of the ocean and increases the region's toxicity. This permanent damage also causes leaks, corrosion and oil spills that only further drastically affect the region's ecosystem.